Alright, whose pretty motorcycle is that? So this is the one I came to see. This is the 390RK. So this has got a massive basement storage. Let's see if we can get this open. I mean, just look at how massive this is. Unreal. Again, slam latches. And the other part of this one is all the storage that's back here. So you can see how much storage. You got the reel, and you got this down there. So that back here that comes out pretty far, and I believe the spec on this is 800 pounds you can put on this. So again, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's go check out this 390RK. Alright, so the unique thing about this one is the living room is the bottom portion with 3 couches. And you got this nice wall with a shiplap, not really shiplap, but it looks like it. Roku Smart TV, and you got storage up above there. Got storage in each armrest. So the cool thing is up here we have kitchen. You have this bar area, 2 stools, and all this cabinet space. Microwave, more cabinets, sink with a window, cabinets everywhere. And this one's got that fridge, more cabinets here. You can prep this for a dishwasher. And of course, again, the 4-burner Insignia stove. Big deep pantry here, so that's pretty deep. And then the bottom one, you got 3 drawers and a little place for like brooms or cutting boards. And then we'll look at this one. So this is the 390RK, and that is the sale price. And then also in this island we got power, but this is also dishwasher prepped. So the view from up here is pretty nice. Again, just windows everywhere. Let's come down here and check out the bathroom. Here, before we go there, again, we got controls there with actual buttons, and then you have your one-touch screen, and then plenty of, you know, maybe like a Dyson vac or whatever you need to put in there. Hanging closet, another hanging closet, and then dual vanity, porcelain commode. And the same shower that's in a lot of these Solitudes and Momentums. You got plenty of storage everywhere. Hey, that's me. And as with the last one, same thing. King bed. Closet is virtually the same. I believe this one though has the hanging rod. But again, this has your washer dryer prep in that closet, and of course you got your Roku TV and the same dresser. And one of the other things I like is this actually has a magnet for the door to hold it. Kind of like that. So little details. So again, this is the 390RK.